The reason my team and I can book over 500 meetings every single month consistently is not because of some magic pill we swallowed that teleports leads into our calendar. We can book so many demos consistently because the leads we reach out to are dying for our product. They have a problem that nothing else but our product can solve. And once we position that correctly, all of those leads run straight to us so we could go ahead, talk to them, and pitch our products. That's why in this video, I want to showcase how we actually find those leads at scale, basically people who have a problem that you could solve, which makes booking sales calls way easier and closing them way easier. And I'll show you how to do that quickly, consistently, at scale, without burning through your budget. So the way we find so many high quality leads is by searching leads that give off certain buying signals. And we do that with an app called Leadsforge. So what it has is 4 types of signals that you can use to find out whether or not a prospect would need your product. So for example, job change signals. Whenever someone changes a company, they may want to buy your product again. They were using your product or a similar product in a different company. Once they switch that job, for example, and as they are going from one company to another, they will still need to generate leads. They will still need to do outreach. They will need to buy outreach software again. Acquisition signal. Whenever a new company is acquired, you can expect them to go rogue on GTM, marketing, expansion, whatever, right? It's a great signal that indicates that this company may need your services. Now, it depends what kind of product you have, but I'll showcase exactly how to filter and find the leads after I'm done explaining each funding signal. So whenever a company raises money, maybe Anthropic raises bajillion dollars, right? You could go ahead and pitch them some marketing services. Of course, maybe that's a long stretch, but that's an example, right? A company raises money. Of course, they raise the money for a reason: scaling, sales, marketing, product, whatever it is. Once they do that, it's a great signal and a great time to pitch them your services. And investor signals, well, those are companies or people that are investing. Again, this might be useful based on your product. So let me go one by one and showcase how to use each signal to find the best leads possible. So let's start with job change signals. Once you're there, you're able to select the signal period. Basically, when was this signal and when did job change happen? So you could just go last 30 days, click apply, select the positions you want the job change of. So I would go with CMO, Chief Marketing Officer, VP of Marketing, Marketing Manager, anything in marketing. If I want to pitch my services of content creation, marketing services, organic social, whatever it is, I search for the related position because I'm not going to pitch a CTO. They don't care about marketing, right? They care about building the product. You select the position of your ICP. Now, seniorities, I'll do founder, C-level, VP, director, head, lead, and manager. Basically, all of them good to go. I won't talk to interns, but that's good. Departments. Now, you could leave this be, but I'll select growth, I'll select marketing, and for me, that's good to go. But of course, again, depending on your ICP, you may select engineering and product, maybe design, maybe operations, maybe finance. And now contact location, I want to do, of course, United States, find the leads with the highest buying potential. And as you can see, after removing the positions, we found 95 people who changed their job in the last 30 days that match our ideal customer's profile. So for example, let's take 10 of them and see what we get. As you can see right here, we got the 10 leads that we searched for. Here you can see by clicking on this information card, you can see more information about the person and the signal. As you can see here, it showcases that they started a new position as Vice President of Marketing, which is a great signal that we can use to reach out to Rod to pitch them our services, right? Now they're in charge of marketing for Pravana. So what you could do is enrich this contact with their email or LinkedIn profile and reach out to them and pitch our services, offer a freebie, get them basically in our nurture sequence or whatever. And we would do that for, of course, all the leads that we find that we may think are useful. Now, of course, you could even filter down by a lot more. So contact locations, the companies, company size, company year in business, headquarters, office location, whatever it is. But once you do that, you just click enrich signals. You find their email, you find their LinkedIn if you're doing multi-channel outreach, or if you want to personalize the outreach copy using AI, if you use Salesforge, even and phone number if you want to call them. And you do that, and you got a bunch of leads that have a high chance of needing your product. Now, this is just 1 out of 4 signals that we've talked about. So now let's look at acquisition signal. Here you can as well select the signal period. Let's do 90 days. Company location, so let's add United States. Select categories, doesn't really matter for me. You can select then subcategories. I'll go with SaaS. Then you can select subcategories. You have AI, SaaS, cybersecurity, all of these categories that you may need. You can then filter by employees. Let's do 200. And if needed, you can select the founded year. Now, here we have 300 companies, but let's find 10 of them just for the example, so I'm not wasting my precious credits. But again, this is how quickly we're going to find companies that recently got acquired. This is another super strong signal that these companies are going to change management, change strategy, need new products, new tools, whatever it is, right? So here we go. We found all of the 10 companies, and out of them we got 452 leads. We can again check the signal information. We can select the leads that we want to enrich, get their email, get their LinkedIn, get their phone number, and get them on a call. Again, for example, show max contacts per company. Here, let's do 1. So we have 10 different leads, from each company. We can filter out by job titles, locations for the contact, technologies they use, all of that stuff. So we filter down to the best lead possible. Now, I suggest you reach out to a couple employees per company. If you're doing that with Salesforge, you can turn on multi-threading on. So this way, if one person from the company replies, you're not going to be reaching and spamming out the other one. But this is a great way to, actually get a higher chance of a reply from the company. So for example, Christopher, right? January was acquired. I could just select him, enrich, get the information of their email and LinkedIn, and reach out to them via multi-channel to book a sales call. And that's acquisition for you. Now let's do funding. Funding is pretty similar. You select a signal period. Let's do 180 days now. You can select the countries, of course, right? United States, as always. Categories, you can add a category, subcategory like I showed previously. Industries, funding round, funding amount, employees, founded year if needed, and you'll be able to find all of the companies. Again, for the example, let's just do 10 of them, and we'll be able to find companies that recently raised funding. And again, this is a super strong signal that these companies may need your services. Again, it depends what kind of services you provide, but now we know that these companies have the capacity, have the money to purchase your product. So for example, here we have Intent Signal again. They did a seed round, raised 5.5 million. Again, we could select all of these leads that we know have a lot of money to invest into product, in marketing, in sales, in support, and we can go ahead and reach those leads, get their information, send them an email, pitch them our services, get them on a call, and of course, sell our product. Now, lastly, what we have is investor signal. So here are basically people that are investing, or companies, right? You can select company location, headquarters, type, and ticket size. So for example, let's do United States. In the last year, headquarters, doesn't matter. Type, is it a VC firm, solo angel, startup studio, whatever, and then select how much they're actually investing. You can then extract those companies or those people, reach out to them, and do the same thing all over again. Now, if you're not sure how to actually do outreach to these people, even though you have the information at your hands, then I suggest you take a look at this video where I showcase how to set up sequences like these that book us over 500 demos every single month and generate an insane 20 to 30% reply rate. Now, if you don't want to watch that video, I'll leave this app to generate leads in the description down below. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. It was me, Sam. Have a good one, and peace.